Here's another Enclosure Talk coming at you with four Matrix XLs. We've got a lot going on here. This is one order, so we're going to do them all together. We've got two, as you can see here, white Matrix XLs with green and yellow colored fronts, black hardware. This one's got the gold logo, chrome gold. Yellow's got the holographic logo along with the orange knob. Gold knob on this green one here, matching the logo. Very cool. Jumping inside, we've got the smoked acrylic tees, heat panel, nice light tucked over there, 1/8" CNC vents. Same story for this guy. Going over to the next set, we've got a black Matrix XL with white front and back. Gold logo, gold knob. This one has the clear tees, ice tees, very nice. VE panel and the VE dimmable LED. Everything routed out the back. Jumping down here, we've got the white Matrix XL with the blue front and back, gold logo, gold knob, tinted tees, heat panel, and an LED. Once again, these are Matrix XLs. They are 18 by 12 by 12.